Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Shravani Sachin Zalkikar. I am a first year student studying in Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology.
Competition which is being held by Ihmranchi, I am making healthy soya nuggets Manchurian. These are the ingredients which we need for making soya nuggets Manchurian. So the very first step for making soya Manchurian is you will need a wok, that is kadhai, and add around 500 ml of water in it. Now we'll be adding around 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding salt, cover this kadhai with a lid and let it come to boil. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. After you see bubbles coming out from the water, add soya chunks in it. But make sure your soya is completely immersed in water so that it will cook evenly. Now just mix it once and put on the lid and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Check it after 2 to 3 minutes. If they are soft, take it off from the hot water into a colander. After taking out in a colander, just refresh it once under a running tap water. Now heat some oil in a pan. And add ginger and garlic to it and saute it for a couple of minutes or till it doesn't get golden brown in color. After your ginger garlic is done, add red chilies and onions to it and saute it for another couple of minutes. We need to saute this till we get a translucent color to our onions. This will add carrots and capsicum to our mixture and saute it for another minute. Make sure we need our veggies to remain crunchy in texture, so don't overcook it. Now we'll be adding some coriander and some spring onions and just mix it. After you're done, add Szechuan sauce, some salt, soy sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. And give it a good mix. At this stage, you can also add a cornflour slurry to it if you want your dish to remain some soupy in texture. Now I'll be adding the soya nuggets which we cooked before and again give it a good toss.
I have prepared healthy soya nuggets Manchurian.